Hi guys, Apple will most likely unveil the iPhone 14 series on September 13, 2022, as recent rumors from iDrop News claim, and most likely release it to the market on September 23, 2022. So, the rumor about the release date is due to the usual time frames that the company favors on an annual basis and sticks to. Apple tends to announce its new phones on the first or second Tuesday of September and subsequently release them roughly 10 days later, always on a Friday. The keynote launch of the iPhone usually kicks off at the Apple Park HQ in Cupertino at 10 a.m. Pacific Time, 6 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, and has Apple CEO Tim Cook officially unveil the new iPhones along with other involved key executives on stage. Just like WWDC 22, we expect the iPhone 14 announcement to be a virtual-only affair. Please like this video if you are a Samsung phone lover. Let me know in the comment section what you are looking out for in this new flagship, and if you haven't subscribed already then hit subscribe button now so you don't miss a thing in the future. So, as per famed Apple insider Ming-Chi Kuo, Apple is planning a massive camera upgrade for the iPhone 14 family. Notably, Apple is planning to bring a new and much larger sensor for the main camera, a massive 1.3-inch 48MP sensor. This sensor is expected to grace the top-tier iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max flagships. What will the iPhone 14 series look like? Generally, we don't expect any two major changes in terms of overall design, so you can expect the iPhone 14 series to look mostly similar to the iPhone 13 series. However, one very big change that will stick out will be the removal of the notch on the iPhone 14 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which will be substituted for an I-shaped horizontal hole punch cutout. Meanwhile, the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max will still use the new narrow notches introduced by the iPhone 13 series. JP Morgan Chase also was among the first ones to break out rumors about a possible titanium frame for some iPhone 14 models, namely the Pro and Pro Max versions. That would be a big change from the stainless steel used in the Pro models currently, but take this one with a grain of salt. Apple has been using a titanium alloy as one of its case material options for the Apple Watch Series 6 and Series 7 models. And while titanium is not a perfect material in any way, it smudges easier. Apple has been reportedly working on different coatings to minimize fingerprint smudges on its next iPhones. Another recent leak shows the new iPhone 14 series all coming with narrower borders around the screen for a cleaner look. This bezel minimization took off with the iPhone 12 generation, went strong during the iPhone 13 days, and it seems that the iPhone 14 will give us the thinnest bezels on an iPhone so far. In April, iPhone 14 molds have also made the rounds, reinforcing the notion that we should expect 4 iPhone 14 models, with no mini in sight this time around. Speaking of displays, the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max are expected to come with 6.1-inch and 6.7 promotion displays with variable refresh rate. Yes, we currently expect that only the Pro models will feature screens with a 120Hz refresh rate, whereas the more affordable non-Pro versions will merely come with your standard 60Hz OLED displays. That's in line with what we have seen in the iPhone 13 series. What might set the Pro models even further apart from the regular iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max are always-on displays. Some rumors claim that iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max could score always-on displays that show important information on the screen at all times. Apple already does this on the Apple Watch, so it makes sense that the iPhone would be next in line for this feature. In fact, it's LTPO OLED displays that allow for such functionality, and LTPO OLEDs are exactly what allows for fast refresh rate switching. What's more, multiple lines of code in iOS 16 reportedly point to the iPhone 14 having an always-on display, so this feature is almost certainly coming this fall. According to the rumors, the customizable widgets that can be plastered on top of the iOS 16 lock screen will be displayed alongside the clock as always-on elements on the iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Maximum. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.